Okay, in this session I'm going to explain how to do a SupplyLogic update. Basically, you want to do a SupplyLogic update when there's a new version available. Usually you will get an email from CDR staff letting you know that there's an update available. You always want to update the server first, and then open SupplyLogic on the server, check your version, and then you can do the clients. In this session, we're showing how to do the server update. So you should see the SL update program on the desktop. Should be an icon with the CDR logo. Just double click it to open it up. From here, you'll select Update Software from the menu. This kind of gives you some overall instructions if you can't remember exactly how to do it. It's pretty much explained right here. I always say check system settings, make sure there's no errors, and then check your software version. Checking the software version is going to let you know what version you're currently at. Version 15. Most should match, especially these files here. Actually, the first 4 files should always match. If they don't, you probably can't run the software. In any case, we're at version 15 and we need to go ahead and get the latest update. So we're going to click Update Software Version. Now on the server, you need to make sure everyone is out of SupplyLogic on all computers, POS and SupplyLogic. If you aren't sure if everyone's out, go ahead and hit No, because you will have to redo the update if somebody's in the system. On the server, there's a program called the Lock Manager. It'll let you know if anybody's on the system. You'll see a little connection here. So in this case, we have nobody logged on the system. So what we can do, it's real important too that on the server we go ahead and close these 2 processes here. If you don't close these 2 processes, it will fail and you'll have to redo the update. So to close them, just right click, hit close window. Okay, so now that we've got everybody out of the system and we've got those 2 programs closed, we can hit check software version and then update software. Is everyone out? You're just confirmed that everybody was out, so hit yes. Now you can see here that the new version is 2.2016. So it's downloading the file, it's unzipping the file, and then it should install the software and then start up those 2 programs that we killed earlier. So we'll just give it a second. You want to just review this to make sure there's no errors. If there are any errors, you probably need to redo the update. Most cases you'll find errors if you forgot to close these 2 programs down here. You'll get some unable to register error messages down here. Permission denied or something like that. So after the update, notice that the LM has just started back up and the TM has started back up, so you know that it's almost done. And basically there are no errors. You can see that it installed update 2.16, and then the final thing we need to do is check our software version. Make sure that all files are 2.2016, and that's the one we updated. This send data is no longer used anymore, and also the update programs may not match, but that's okay. Everything else should match the version that you updated. Okay, so the server's done. So what you need to do at this point is go ahead and close the update. And then always open SupplyLogic on the server to make sure that you can log in. Make sure that the update is the same version that you downloaded. And also, just as a double check, make sure you can open the items screen and pull up items. If you can do all that, you know that the update was successful and you can go ahead and update the clients. If you have any questions, you can always email us at support@cdrsoftware.com. Thank you.